Well, we have a BMW 6 Series diesel engine. What we want to show you today is diesel particulate filter pressure sensor, which literally exploded. Now, this could mainly happen from one reason, the DPF being very close. However, some of the pressure sensor aftermarket, they are not in the best quality. We never seen something like that happening on the dealer sensor. Yeah, but this sensor, it's like as you can see, it's been exploded. The filter is relatively new on this car, so we mainly blame a faulty sensor in this situation, which we now going to replace with the genuine one, and then we'll retest it later. Thanks for watching.